Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, Sports and Nutrition. In sports and nutrition is related to human need about their food and other things. So our first topic is balanced diet. You all are known about balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Could anyone tell me? Balanced diet. The simplest definition of balanced diet is that a diet a diet which contain all the nutrients in appropriate amount. We are also say that a diet which include all the elements of food is known as balanced diet. Our next topic is nutrient. Nutrient or nutrition. First of all, we are talk about nutrients. Nutrients are the component of diet like carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, that is also known as vitamins, and minerals. And if we talk about nutrition, then nutrition is the process of providing or obtaining the food necessary for health and growth. In another word, we can say nutrition is the process of food for breaking down in simpler substance to release energy. Nutrition is the process of food, breaking down of food in simpler substance to release energy. We are divided nutrients into two types, macro and micro. Macronutrients further divided into three types, carbohydrate, protein, and fat. Macronutrients divided into two parts, vitamin and mineral. Today we are talking about macronutrients. Carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is the most important source of energy. It is contain the element of hydrogen, oxygen and carbon, carbohydrate, give instant energy, to our body. One gram of carbohydrate contain, could anyone tell me that 1 gram of carbohydrate release how many calorie? Now I can tell you that 1 gram of carbohydrate contain 4.2 calorie. Carbohydrate are found in carbohydrate is found in many products like potato, chocolate, sugar, maize, and many more. Carbohydrate divided into two types: simple carbohydrate and complex carbohydrate. If we talk about simple carbohydrate, then these carbohydrates are used to give immediate energy. Immediate energy to our body, because these carbohydrates are instantly dissolve in our body. They are found in glucose, fructose, lactose, and etc. These further divided into three types: monosaccharide, disaccharide, and polysaccharide. Now if we talk about complex carbohydrate, in such kind of carbohydrate contain more than 2 molecules. If we talk about simple carbohydrate, it contains 1 and maximum 2 molecules of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. If we talk about complex carbohydrate, it contains more than 2 molecules and it possesses large amount of energy. Large amount of energy as compared to simple carbohydrate. They are found in various product like rice, potato, cereals, maize, etc. In next topic, we are discuss about proteins and fats.